Hello student, in last period we study about some examples in synthetic division methods of polynomials. In these synthetic division methods we solve the example in practice set 3.3. In practice set 3.3 there are 4 examples depends upon synthetic division methods. In this video we study about value of the polynomials. In value of the polynomials, in a polynomials, if a variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomials. For example, if we replace the x by 2 in the polynomials x plus 7, we get 2 plus 7 is 9. Therefore, the value of the polynomials is 9. If p of x is a polynomials in x, then the value of polynomials for x is equal to a is written as p of a. म्हणजे दिलेल्या बहुपदीमध्ये जे चल आहे त्या चलाची किंमत दिलेल्या बहुपदीमध्ये ठेवली की त्या बहुपदीची किंमत निघते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सम एक्झाम्पल्स आर गिवन. सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल ऑन पेज नंबर 47. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमाइल्स p of x is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. जे या दिलेल्या बहुपदीमध्ये x या ठिकाणी 2 लिहायचे कारण की x ची किंमत 2 ठेवायची. Polynomials is given p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Put value of x is equal to 2 in the given polynomials. P of 2 means p of x is equal to 2 into x square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. जे दिलेल्या बहुपदीमध्ये चलाची किंमत ठेवली की त्या बहुपदीची किंमत येते. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये p of x होतं ते p of 2 is the value of x. Then find the value of p of y is equal to 2y cube minus 2y plus under root 7. For this y is equal to minus 2. Means p of y is given polynomial c is 2y cube minus 2y plus 7. Then put the value of y is equal to minus 2 in given polynomials. P of minus 2 is equal to 2y cube means 2 into minus 3 cube minus 2 into minus 2 plus under root 7. 2 into minus 2 cube is minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus under root 7. 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. And minus minus become plus. 2 into 2 is 4 plus under root 7. Therefore, sum of these two number is minus 12 plus under root 7. For y is equal to minus 2, the value of the given polynomials is minus 12 plus under root 7. या पद्धतीनं ही उदाहरणं बघून घ्यायची आहेत. आता we solve the practice set for 3.4 for the value of the polynomials. We solve the example in a practice set 3.4. Therefore, we write practice set 3.4. Practice set 3.4. माझ्याबरोबर लिहून घ्यायचे. Practice set 3.4. First question. For x is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0. Find the value. Find the value of the polynomials. Of polynomials. Of the polynomials x square minus 5x plus 5. Therefore, we give p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. This is given polynomials. Put value of, put x is equal to 0 in given polynomials. In given polynomials. Therefore, p of 0 इज इक्वल टू 0 स्क्वेअर मायनस 5 इंटू 0 प्लस 5. Therefore P of 0 is equal to 0 square is 0 minus 5 into 0 is 0 plus 5. Therefore P of 0 is 5. Therefore the value of given polynomials for x is equal to 0 is the 5. This value 5 is the value of given polynomials for x is equal to 0. जे दिलेल्या बहुपदीची x या चलाच्या किमतीसाठी त्या बहुपदीची किंमत 5 आलेली आहे. In second example, if p of y is equal to y square minus 3 under root 2y plus 1, then find p of 3 under root 2. Means this is given polynomials. Find the value of polynomials for the value of y is given 3 under root 2. Means we write p of y is equal to y square minus 3 under root 2y plus 1. जे ही दिलेली बहुपदी आहे. This is given polynomials. Then put the value of y is 3 under root 2. Put y is equal to 3 under root 2 in given polynomials. Means value of y is 3 under root 2. Therefore p in bracket 3 under root 2 is equal to value of y is 3 under root 2 bracket square minus 3 under root 2 into value of y is 3 under root 2 plus 1. 3 under root 2 square is 9 into under root 2 square is 2. Therefore p of 3 under root 2 is equal to 9 into under root 2 square is 2 minus 3 under root 2 into 3 under root 2 means 9 into under root 2 into under root 2 is under root 4. Value is 2 plus 1. Therefore p in bracket 3 under root 2 is equal to 9 into 2 is 18. 9 into 2 is 18 minus 18 plus 1. Therefore p in bracket 3 under root 2 is equal to 18 minus 18 is 0. Value is 1. This is second example in practice set 3.4. Value of p of 3 under root 2 is 1. In first example p of 0 is 5. Then we solve example number 3. Question number 3 is if p of m is equal to m square plus m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then p of a plus p of minus a is equal to question mark. जे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला p of a ची किंमत काढायची आहे आणि p of minus a ची किंमत काढायची आहे आणि त्या दोघांची बेरीज आपल्याला करावायची आहे आणि त्याची किंमत आपल्याला शोधायची आहे. वी फर्स्ट कॅल्क्युलेट पी ऑफ ए. देअरफॉर वी राइट पी ऑफ एम इज इक्वल टू एम क्यूब प्लस 2m स्क्वेअर मायनस m प्लस 10. दिस इज गिवन. पी ऑफ एम च्या ऐवजी पी ऑफ ए. वी कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पी ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब प्लस 2a स्क्वेअर मायनस a प्लस 10. This is the value of P of A, and P of minus A is minus A cube plus 2 into bracket minus A square minus in bracket minus A plus 10. Means in these polynomials we put the value of m is minus a. Therefore P of minus a is equal to minus a cube is minus a cube plus minus a square is plus a square, 2a square plus minus minus become plus is a plus 10. This is second. Value of P of A is the first. Value of minus a is the second. We get from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get from 1 आणि 2 ची आता बेरीज करायचे. P of A इथं तसं विचारलेलं आहे. P of A plus P of minus A is sum of these two, means a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 plus in bracket minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. We get sum of these two is a cube minus a cube is 0 plus a minus a is 0. Sum of these two is 4a square and 10 plus 10 is 20. This is the value of P of A plus P of minus a. Sum of these two is 4a square plus 20 is the value of given polynomials. Means in this example we calculate two values. First is P of A and second is P of minus A. Then we calculate the value of P of A plus P of minus A is a question mark. त्यासाठी आपण 1 आणि 2 या दोहोंची बेरीज ही या ठिकाणी मांडलेली आहे. P of A plus P of minus A. Sum of these two is 4a square plus 20. Then we solve the last example is if P of y is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Then find P of 2. Means value of y is taken 2. Means P of y is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. This is given polynomials. Then put y is equal to 2. Therefore P of 2 is equal to 2 into bracket 2 cube minus 6 into bracket 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. Therefore P of 2 is equal to 2 into 8 minus 6 into 4 minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 7. 2 into 8 is 16 minus 24 minus 10 plus 7. Sum of these two is, we get value is minus 11. बघा P of 2 is minus 11. कसे येते बघा, ह्या दोघाची बेरीज केली वजा 3 येईल. ह्या दोघाची बेरीज केली तर आपल्याला -8 येईल. मोठ्याचं चिन्ह द्यायचं आणि मोठ्यातून लहान वजा करायचं आणि दोघाची बेरीज केली की -11 आलेली आहे. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.